Sure. So the last couple minutes we're going to talk just about specifically, again, to circle back and talk about those classic female hormones, estrogen, and how it might actually play an important role in this energy balance. So one of the things that we know that estrogen enhances the leptin responsiveness in the central nervous system. So, again, remember to refresh your memory, leptin is what's secreted by the adipocytes or fat cells and is probably the most important sort of signal of energy stores and suppresses appetite, increases energy expenditure. We also know that estrogen may suppress ghrelin release. So to refresh your memory, ghrelin is that really strong hunger hormone that actually surges right before a meal. And not only does it suppress the release, but it also blunts the appetite-stimulating effects of these hormones. And then lastly, estrogen may also enhance the CCK signaling. So this was that hormone that's secreted from a very distal part of the small intestine, but again will sort of signal satiety and sort of meal termination with that. So part of this might be why many women report that there's differences in their appetites during sort of a hormonal or menstrual cycle. So when estrogen levels are going to be the lowest is actually right when a woman's having her menses. So, and that would again be similar to what many individuals report, that those are periods where appetite maybe is sort of higher than other times in the menstrual cycle. We also know that estrogen deficiencies, similar to what might happen in menopause, increases the hypothalamic expression of those orexigenic neurotransmitters. So if you go back to that slide that I showed you where we're integrating sort of those signals, that's going to be the left side of the brain, and that's only on my diagram, not the left side of of an individual's brain. But it's going to trigger that the orexigenic or sort of hunger signaling neurons tend to go up with estrogen deficiency, and there's actually a decrease in the number of neurons or brain cells that would actually trigger sort of satiety. So again, this might be part of the explanation of why postmenopausally women talk about or you often see an increase in weight gain. The other thing that's happening around menopause too is because of the reductions in estrogen, there are changes in sort of that body composition and fat distribution that often happens as part of that process.